Good morning. I'm Eric Day. Today's Tuesday, April 28th, and this is your Clinton County COVID-19 update. This morning, first off, I'll review the numbers that we have for today, which include 63 lab confirmed cases in Clinton County. That represents 0 new cases since yesterday. Good number. 51 lab confirmed recovered positive cases, also a good number. The total number of tests conducted in Clinton County as of today, 670. We're also showing 41 suspect cases. Those are folks that have symptoms but haven't been tested. And of those 41, 40 of them have actually been determined to be recovered. Crunch all those numbers together, and it leaves a total number of active cases that we're watching today in Clinton County, 10. Very good number. Next, in the briefing, I'd like to talk about our incident management team and just confirm for you that at the county, we've still got a team of over 60 individuals working tirelessly, fully engaged to control our management operations of this incident. One of those major aspects going on these days, in addition to what you've heard others speak about, contact tracing and public information, is the logistics or supplies end of the operation. So here at Emergency Services, that's our primary job at our facility, and we have folks working daily to distribute critical medical PPE. We continue to receive and distribute PPE for places like the hospital, emergency medical service organizations, the ambulances, nursing homes, police, and fire. To date, we've distributed tens of thousands of gloves, masks, gowns, and other items. Something that we've recently started over the last week or so include distribution of cloth masks that have been received. Those are being distributed out to nursing homes, to individuals at nursing homes, not necessarily workers, other congregate living facilities, and as well as we're working to distribute them to businesses to help them comply with executive orders that require those folks that work in businesses that are still essential and functioning today, that interact directly with people, with customers. So we've gotten a lot of those out. We are working closely with the United Way of the Adirondacks to distribute those masks. And if there are any essential businesses out there opening today or operating today that need masks for your employees, you can reach out to the United Way of the Adirondack region. Their number is 518-563-0028. That's for essential businesses with employees that may need cloth masks to meet the executive order. The next thing I'd like to speak about, a lot of you folks, we're all hearing that on the news media and other sources talk from both the federal and state level officials about things like reopening, antibody testing. I want to assure you that our team is on top of trying to stay informed on those topics. At this point, we don't have any hard direction on either of those as an example. But what I would like to say, and it sounds like a broken record, what has allowed us to get to this point with the numbers that are low, like I mentioned when I started, is the fact that you folks are following the social distancing, maybe what we want to call physical distancing guidelines, wearing masks in public, only going out when you absolutely have to. Those things are working. They're, I believe, what has allowed us to get to this point today in our region, in our county, with the numbers that we have. That said, when information does come out and more places of business, things start to open up again, we need to double our efforts and continue to be socially distant or physically distant. It's that separation that keeps us from spreading the disease. I think you guys have heard this plenty enough now, but it can't be said enough that as things start to open up, we can't back down, we can't lower our guard. Yes, it will be good that people are getting back to work, the economy will start moving again, we'll have more options to go shopping, to pick up things that we've been unable to do so locally. However, it doesn't mean that we can stop with social or physical distancing. We can't stop wearing masks in public. We can't take the whole family out shopping. The shopping alone thing is something that's going to be around a while now. Those kinds of things we need to remember and keep those reinforced because that's allowed us to get to where we are, and that's what will allow us to move forward. With that, I bid you good day. Enjoy the sun. It's beautiful out today. So thank you very much. Have a good day.